Many women wonder if exercises can help improve the look of their bust. While exercise cannot directly increase breast size, it can strengthen the chest muscles beneath the breasts, improve posture, and give the appearance of a fuller, firmer bust. In this video, we'll go through 7 powerful exercises that target the chest area, shoulders, and back to naturally enhance your bust line. 1. Push ups. Push-ups are one of the best exercises to build chest strength. By engaging the pectoral muscles, push-ups help lift and firm the bust. Beginners can start with knee push-ups and gradually progress to full push-ups as strength improves. 2. Chest press. Using dumbbells or water bottles, the chest press is excellent for toning the upper body. Lying flat on a mat or bench, lift your arms up and slowly lower them down, squeezing your chest with each repetition. This creates muscle support beneath the breasts, giving a perkier look. 3. Chest fly. The chest fly isolates the chest muscles and improves firmness. With dumbbells in hand, extend your arms wide and bring them together in a hugging motion. This motion strengthens the inner chest and enhances cleavage definition. 4. Wall push ups. Wall push-ups are a great option for beginners or those who want a quick workout. Standing a few feet away from a wall, push your body forward and back, keeping your core tight. This builds endurance in the chest and tones the upper body. 5. Plank shoulder taps. Planks are fantastic for overall strength, and adding shoulder taps makes them even better. While holding a plank, tap each shoulder alternately. This move works your chest, arms, and core, all of which help improve posture and bust appearance. 6. Dumbbell pullover. Lie on your back with a dumbbell in both hands, arms extended over your chest. Lower the weight behind your head and pull it back up. This exercise stretches the chest and builds the upper body for better bust support. 7. Cobra pose, yoga. To finish, try the cobra pose. Lie on your stomach and push your chest off the ground while keeping your hips down. This yoga posture opens up the chest, improves flexibility, and promotes a lifted bust appearance.